Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best voice recorders on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the 128GB digital voice recorder for lectures, meetings Evita. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Evita 128GB digital voice recorder is designed for recording lectures, meetings, and personal notes with exceptional clarity. This device offers an impressive 1536 kbps recording quality, supported by advanced noise reduction technology. With a massive 128GB capacity, it can store up to 9,296 hours of recordings or tens of thousands of songs. It features a voice-activated recording mode, ensuring you capture only the moments that matter, while eliminating silence. The recorder supports long continuous usage, up to 54 hours on a full battery. Its compact design includes a built-in speaker for playback, a simple user interface, and password protection to safeguard your data. Compatible with MP3 and WAV formats, this recorder is a reliable choice for professionals and students. Number 2 is the digital voice recorder 16GB Sunlun. The Sunlun digital voice recorder offers 16GB of storage, ideal for recording lectures, meetings, and personal notes. This compact device supports high-quality recording at 1536 kbps and uses intelligent noise reduction technology for clear audio. It can store hundreds of hours of recordings, making it perfect for both students and professionals. Its rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, and features like voice-activated recording help conserve storage by skipping silent moments. The recorder includes playback functionality, an easy-to-use interface, and is lightweight for portability. Additionally, it supports MP3 playback, allowing it to double as a music player. And to finish, the first position goes to the 128GB digital voice recorder with playback Evistor. The Evistor 128GB digital voice recorder with playback is a compact and reliable tool for capturing lectures, meetings, and interviews. It offers 1536 kbps recording quality and advanced noise reduction for clear audio. With a 128GB capacity, it can store thousands of hours of recordings, making it suitable for heavy users. Key features include voice-activated recording, ensuring efficient use of storage by skipping silent moments, and playback functionality for quick review. The recorder supports MP3 and WAV formats and includes A/B repeat, making it ideal for transcription or language learning. Its rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, and the intuitive design makes it user-friendly. The Evistor 128GB digital voice recorder is designed with convenience and functionality in mind. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, while features like password protection ensure your recordings stay secure. Whether for professional use or personal projects, this recorder combines high storage capacity with advanced features to meet a variety of needs. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 voice recorders that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.